Hey, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's ROI5 review 2026, we're going to cover exactly what ROI5 is, how the ROI5 or ROI5, as some people say, how ROI5 compensation plan works, whether ROI5 is legit or a scam, and whether it's a legitimate business opportunity makes sense for beginners. I've been getting a lot of questions about ROI5 recently, so I wanted to put together a complete ROI5 review and walk you through everything that I know so far. Now, quick disclaimer before we get started. Some of the links below may be affiliate links, which means I may receive a commission if you decide to join through my referral link at no additional cost to you. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. We're all adults here. Only invest money you can afford to play with. This video is for educational purposes only. There are no guarantees whatsoever of any income, and your results will depend on your own efforts, skills, marketing activities, and many other factors. Also, do your own due diligence before joining any business opportunity. And if after watching this review you decide that ROI5 is something you'd like to learn more about or take advantage of, check out the link in the pinned comment below or inside of the description. I put together some exclusive bonuses that I'll tell you about later in this video because I've been doing this for over 17 years online. So my friends, so what exactly is ROI5? Well, ROI5 is currently one of the fastest growing opportunities I've seen lately and is getting a lot of attention inside of the make money online and crypto earning communities. The reason people are taking it and even talking about this is because of the compensation plan, the community growth, and the earning potential being presented. I mean, where else can you double your money in only 40 days? Now, obviously, whether something starts growing quickly, people naturally ask, is it legit? Does it work? Can you really make money? And that's why I'm creating this ROI5 review. So how does ROI5 works? How much does it pay per day? Well, it pays 5% per day. That's why you get your investment back in only 20 days. From what I've seen so far, the process is very simple. You create an account, you activate your account, you deposit the funds, you gain access to the system. You can participate yourself and also choose to build a team if you want to maximize the compensation plan. So for those people that want to build huge teams, I have additional training for you guys to how to maximize compensation plan, because I've been doing this for over 17 years on affiliate marketing and the opportunities and the crypto space, so on and so forth. The traffic and marketing skills last forever. So this is what I offer for every teammate who joins me in this journey, how to generate leads online using social media such as YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, how to run paid ads, and how to convert those skeptical people into raving fans and raving team members that are going to duplicate and grow their income, therefore as a byproduct grow your income as well. And this is why I personally focus on teaching traffic generation, lead generation, and social media marketing, because those skills transfer everywhere to any platform, in this case ROI5. Now my friend, let's talk about some of the business rules of ROI5. According to the current presentation, accounts activate automatically after registration, earnings being released after 24 hours after activation. USDT withdrawals are processed in about 20 hours. Bitcoin withdrawals are processed in about 24 hours. And according to the presentation, there are currently no withdrawal fees. Now, obviously, policies can change, so always verify the latest information directly through official company sources. Now, let's get into what most people are searching for, the ROI5 compensation plan, ROI5 compensation plan. This is where things start getting interesting. The compensation plan includes multiple ways to earn. Number 1, direct referrals. Number 2, team building bonuses. Number 3, Unilevel commissions. And number 4, rank advancement opportunities. And honestly, my friend, after being in this industry for 17 years at this point, gosh, that makes me feel old, I can tell you one thing. Most people focus on compensation plans, but very few focus on traffic generation. And traffic is actually where the money comes from. If nobody sees your opportunity, nobody joins. And if nobody joins, there's no business. Now let's look at the Unilevel bonus plan. According to the current ROI5 compensation plan, level 1 pays 10%, on level 2 you're going to get 4%, on level 3 you're going to get 3%, on level 4 you're going to get 2%, on level 5 you're going to get 1.5%, Level 6 through 10 will pay you 1%. Level 11 through 15 pays 0.5%. So the compensation plan extends all the way down to 15 levels. Again, your results will depend entirely on your ability to build and support an organization. But don't worry about it. I'm going to teach you how to do just that with ROIFive. My friend, are you ready for this? When you add everything together, the total payout percentage displayed in the compensation plan reaches whopping 28%. Now, what I always tell people is this: don't just look at percentages. Look at systems, look at support, look at leadership, look at training. This is why it's so crucial and important who you join as your sponsor. And most importantly, look at whether you consistently can generate new prospects. Because there's so many times you can just pitch your friends and family on Facebook, right? I teach you guys how to generate never-ending stream of prospects that will join your business. This is this is exactly what separates successful marketers from everybody else in the marketplace. And this is why by joining my team, you're gonna be head and shoulders above the competition in ROIFive. And this is why I'm looking only for the most serious people that can take advantage of my bonuses. Another interesting component of ROIFive compensation plan is what's called the collective voucher bonus. According to the presentation, bronze requires 10 direct referrals, silver requires 20 direct referrals, gold requires 30 direct referrals. And as your rank grows, additional production bonuses may become available according to the compensation structure of ROIFive. This rewards people who are actively building organizations and helping others succeed. Now, let's answer a big question. How much money will you make? Well, you're going to make 5% per day guaranteed by the platform. There are 6 traders that trade 7 days a week, and basically you're doubling your money every 40 days. In 20 days, you break even. And at that point, you're playing with the house money. That's where you want to be. But I want to put an accent towards the part of the active compensation plan, right? The part where you're recruiting people and you're bringing people into your team. Because if you don't do that, you're only going to be earning 5% a day. But why not earn more, right? And the reason people don't learn that is because they really don't have access to the proper training. They never learn lead generation. They never learn social media. They never learn paid traffic. They never learn how to consistently get eyeballs on their offer. I mean, there's so many times you can approach your friends and family on Facebook and just keep pitching them, right? They're gonna start ignoring you, right? So when you join forces with myself, when you join me, you get access also to the marketing funnel that you get access at no charge with your affiliate link. And this funnel has videos that are step-by-step explaining to your prospects how to start, how to make a deposit, what coins to use, how to make withdrawals. And also there's a second video that goes in detail over the compensation plan. Also, you have PDF document that goes over compensation plan and everything else in between. And once again, with ROIFive, you're making 5% per day. So your contribution is doubled every 40 days. You break even in only 20 days. This is where you want to be. This is where there's no more risk on the table, right? You're playing with the house money. The payouts and withdrawals are 7 days a week. So you're doubling your money every 40 days. There's no deposit or withdrawal fees with ROIFive. It's fully automated system. This is why I'm making this video for you guys, so you have full details before you make a decision. Again, income disclaimer, everything is associated with the risk, including your job. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. There are no guarantees of income. You are responsible for your transactions. Income examples are estimates of what you may earn. I'm only showing what I'm doing. I'm not telling you what to do. We're all adults. We can make our own decisions. So let's talk about team bonuses, my friend. This is where my background comes in. I've been involved in affiliate marketing, lead generation, online advertising, and traffic generation for approximately 17 years. I generated millions of clicks online. I spent substantial amounts on my paid advertising campaigns. I invested over $500,000 in my personal education, masterminds, events, products, you name it. I built teams, I built funnels, I tested just about every traffic source imaginable on the planet, which brings me to the bonuses. I hate to do this, but I will have to do it. I'm going to show you my personal proofs. in the previous companies. Here you can see me generating over $400,000 from one income stream alone in 1 year, over $400,000. Here you can see my team dominating leaderboards. Out of 150,000 affiliates, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 top affiliates dominating top 10 spots out of 150,000 affiliates. Commission notifications 24/7 nonstop. This is it gets exciting first, but then you get used to it. That's what I want to say, humbly, if you will. Again, being number one on tons of leaderboards. You can see here and there, and here and there, Alex and Anna, Zubarev, everywhere. Again, this is not to brag, just to show you who you joining matters in any opportunity, any platform, and specifically in ROIFive. Here's another income stream, over $1 million in 1 year. I can show you more and more proofs, but I guess you get the point. Here's another income stream, almost $1 million, $964,000. So I guess that paints the big picture. So if you decide to join ROIFive through my referral link, I'll put a link in my in the pinned comment below. I'm also gonna put together a bonus package. You'll get access to my traffic generation strategies. I'll give you access to my inner circle traffic mastermind as well on Telegram. I'm gonna give you access to, basically, I'll give you access to tools that you need to succeed, how to generate leads, and you can apply this knowledge to any platform. You can create multiple income streams online, which you should, and diversify your income portfolio in 2026. We're going through turbulent times, so now is the time to take massive action and actually take care of our business so we can feed our families and help others. So, like I said, if you decide to join ROIFive through my referral link, you'll get access to all that, my social media marketing techniques, my lead generation training, audience building methods, content marketing ideas, and some of the same principles I used throughout my marketing career. You will also gain access to additional resources designed to help you avoid common mistakes, because honestly, my friend, most people join opportunities such as ROIFive without any real game plan. My goal is to help you shorten that learning curve and give you a roadmap, an unfair advantage, if you will, that can help you get started faster. If you'd like to get access to all of those bonuses I mentioned, click the link in the pinned comment below, or just go to paidlikealex.com. I'll forward that to the sign up page. So this platform, ROIFive, who is it really for? In my opinion, it's for entrepreneurs like you and me, network marketers, affiliate marketers, passive crypto investors, people interested in building an additional income stream, people who are willing to learn marketing and leadership skills. Who is it not for? People unwilling to learn, people expecting overnight success. Yes, you can invest money and do nothing and you will make money with this platform, but don't you want to make more money? That sounds like a rhetorical question, so that's my question to you. So is ROIFive legit or a scam? Well, guys, that's ultimately a decision you'll need to make yourself after doing your own research and due diligence. Personally, I always recommend looking at the facts. Look at the leadership, look at the compensation plan, look at the community inside of the Telegram groups. Look at the support and make your own informed decision. Watch the replay of the company, Zoom replay, and make your own informed decision. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. And always do your own due diligence. Number one, it's a proven system. Number two, it's a real support and training. Number three, powerful community. Number four, multiple income stream ecosystem inside of ROIFive. So my friend, that's my ROIFive review 2026. ROIFive review 2026. If you'd like more information about ROIFive, access to my bonuses, my traffic generation training, my social media marketing strategies, and my paid advertising experience accumulated over 17 years online, click the link in the pinned comment right now or go to paidlikealex.com. Also, if you found this ROIFive review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel, at least. Leave a comment below. Let me know, do you think ROI5 is a good opportunity? Are you already involved? Are you still researching? I read every comment personally. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. And let's make 2026 your best year ever.